Cranium Critters presents Mindful Mind Jars, teaching tools for calming craniums. Join Scout and Einstein as they demonstrate how to make and use a mind jar. Begin with a medium-sized jar with a lid. Fill the jar with water. You may want to tint the water slightly by adding 1 or 2 drops of food coloring. Next, add some colorful glitter. Then thicken the water with 2 to 3 tablespoons of clear glue, hair gel, or light corn syrup. Secure the lid tightly, then give the jar a strong shake. Wait until the glitter settles to the bottom. Now your mind jar is ready to use. Notice, when the water is clear, you can see Einstein through the jar. This represents a calm mind. The glitter at the bottom of the jar is like our emotions. When our emotions are settled, we can access our inner Einstein, think clearly, and make good decisions. But what happens when we give the jar a strong shake? The glitter erupts in a whirlwind of color, just like the chaos of our overwhelming emotions. Scout, our brain safety pup, sends out an alert. We might feel the urge to fight, run away, or freeze. Just like the swirling glitter gets in the way of our vision, strong feelings like anger, worry, or frustration can cloud our thinking and make it difficult to see things clearly. But notice what happens if we place the jar down and watch as the glitter gradually settles. The glitter seems to be calming down. Just like the settling glitter, our emotions can also find their way back to calm with a little patience and effort. You can focus on the shimmer settling while breathing in and out. If we pay attention, we may be able to hear Einstein whisper some helpful hoots. What settles your internal glitter storm? Is it breathing, positive affirmations, or calming activities like drawing or listening to music? Remember, using a mind jar takes time and patience. There will be times when the glitter erupts again, but with each practice, you will learn to recognize your emotions, acknowledge their power, and choose tools to navigate them with increasing ease. Your Scout and Einstein will always be there to guide you. To learn more about brain awareness, follow Cranium Critters and Cranium Kids Media. Little life lessons, big life skills.